Hello, welcome to my Sunday from. I'm just here about to do this review, so bear with me, guys. This is gonna take a little bit of assembling and disassembling, but I've just been here receiving these products, and so here they are. I got them in. Finally, the rest of them I got them in overnight, and so I've just been here, working on my stuff. There's a hurricane out there brewing, so it's gonna come this week. So I think it's looking for landfall around Wednesday. Near Texas and Louisiana, the border. So I'm thinking maybe between Port Arthur and Lake Charles, but who knows? We got to keep looking and seeing what happens, because the track sometimes changes. But it's actually going to travel up the coast, the Texas coast in the Gulf of Mexico, along, after it finishes its tour in Mexico. And so it's going to start affecting our waters in Tuesday. And so it's going to actually create a problem in the south, and a lot of moisture coming, even as far as Illinois. On Friday, it will be a tropical depression, downgraded. So hopefully my weather won't be affected, but I'm in Ohio. I'm in Cincinnati, Ohio, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted if anything does change before it happens, because like I said, we gotta just keep on our toes, and if anything, you need to be aware that there are local alerts available. So even if you're in California with the wildfire situation or what have you, just make sure that if you hear anything, just stay on alert. Like if you hear there's a flood, just try to check your local alerts and make sure that you stay safe and get the assistance you need. And yeah, you guys, hopefully we pull through this one too. It's saying it's going to be a category 1. They're going to name it Francine. So I don't know. We don't know. There are other storms behind it, and there are other storms in the ocean. We just got to keep positive and be ready. But I've been crafting lately. This is my little Day of the Dead altar, and I bought some tissue, so I'm gonna make like miniatures of things. That's just like my hobby. Like I like to do things, craft and stuff, so I'm gonna be doing that. That's just for fun. So I'm gonna be working on that. My main focus today was to let you guys be aware so you can have time to prepare for the storm, but also to review these items and see if they will actually work. And so what I have here, the first thing I want to open, of course, is this microphone. It's a Movo phone microphone. It says Movo. It's a cardio dynamic handheld microphone. Cardioid dynamic handheld microphone. So it's a dynamic microphone. That means it doesn't need power, outside power. And I bought one of these last time, but I didn't have any luck with it. So I thought I'd go back to kind of the setup that I had before. And so I purchased this used. It was about $4. this is like a professional one. And oh, you can change out the screen, I guess. Why am I doing this? So that's what it looks like inside. And it has like a on and off switch. And then on this side is the XLR. So I bought the actual cord for that. This is the cord. And it comes with a little instructions. So it has like how to open your laptop and set it up. System settings, choose the output USB, turn on the sound settings, and it says this is a USB Type-C to XLR cable, compatible with the Type-C port. Most devices, smartphones, laptops, tablets use. So it just explains what it's used for. So this does look like the other type of Type-C. So maybe it's just me roughing equipment up around here. It could be, but I just thought I'd give it a shot and see if it in fact works. So that's all you do, is just plug the XLR to XLR, and then this part goes into the device, which I have a smartphone. You guys obviously see that. So let's see if I can get this open. Whoop. And this one, it says Pile by Amazon, and in the back it says compact tabletop microphone stand. It's lightweight, compact design. It has a clip, standard clip, and so let's keep going. This is just their card, their flyers, and this comes in a package. It's wrapped to protect it. Okay. So this is the thing to hold it, and like, I like these, but I don't like love them. It just sounds like it would work better than the traditional microphone holder. I think I have one over there, in case this doesn't work. I have my boom arm over there. Not sure which part goes where, so I'm gonna guess that it rounds off here. Yeah, this isn't my cup of tea. I already can tell, but I'm happy to have something. Then the top goes like this. And I thought that I had thought that it was extendable, but apparently it doesn't seem to be. Look at that, perfect. That is perfect. You see that? So as far as this being level, I mean, yeah, I guess that'll do. I just can't be like, I mean, if I can take one of these, I guess this will have to do. So let's give it a shot. Okay, now welcome back. So I did test this out, and this works. The only thing I can tell you is that when you plug this in, you don't hear it. You don't hear it through the feed. It's not a live feed headphone set. You can hear, like, if your phone rings, then you can hear that, but it's not a live feed. Like, for example, when I plug this one in, this one will kind of mute the phone. When I plug this in as a whole, this setup, these headphones still work. So I can hear the phone. So I can keep it plugged in and listen to playback. I don't have to unplug it or what have you. Though I don't really need it when I'm recording at you know, here. I don't really need it. I just need it if I'm editing and still plugged into the mic and, you know, whipping up something real fast, I guess, or answering the phone in between recordings, or, you know, whatever. I guess because it's not a live feed headphone set, but this does work 100%. This was worth the, what, $5 that it cost me. Yeah, this works. So I mean, this also works. So I hope you guys like this one, because I'll be using this for my shows, and this when I'm out and about. That way we get a good, you know, a good listen and can hear everything clear. And I'll try to take good care of my stuff and keep it up to date as, you know, as much as I can. I still don't know where I have these headphones. I don't really need them, but, you know, I'll save them. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. My son different. Bye-bye.